Welcome to the part 3. I am going to add uh, extra rigging with the hair. If you can see this process, this part 3, this is the process. If you want to follow this process, you can add any extra rigging, any extra object to rig with, and extension to extend to your object with rigging. You don't need to rig with scratch. So I am going to just extend the bones, and these bones are automatically controlled with the hair. If you want to be uh, if you want to watch previous tutorials of this course, this is uh, chat VR VTuber tutorial. So if you want to be um, these tutorials, you can check it out other videos. If you want to be a Blender rigging course or a Maya rigging course, check link in the description. The Blender rigging course videos are on LATIF animations. So if you can add a new bone, you can select these tools. I am working on these tools, but I am not going to be add the tool. I am just extend the bone with. If you want to be a size of bone, you can select the size of bone. But this is the extrude of bone. You can see set the add extrude bone, and then this same thing work with the bone extruding like extrude mesh. So I'm going to extrude first all bones and then need to be set it to the mesh. So you can see this is I am going to set to the first. We need follow the length of hair. Now I'm going to adjust bone with the hair. This is very technical part of this video series. You can watch, and if you like my videos, keep subscribing to Donatif Animations, and you can see I am setting up with this hair to the bones with the hair. If you want to be this project file, link in the description, you can get the link of this project file and this model. You can see this is, if you want to keep supporting me, then select to my Patreon and get it to my all project file, link in the descriptions and other projects. You can see this is I am adding all extension like this previous step. Repeat the process. Now you can see this is I am setting up the bone with follow the hair. And what is the result of this thing when we finalize the hair? So when we finalize this hair, the hair is moving with the head with natural movement. So how to attach hairs, and with this select the hair and then shift select to uh, first need to be keep transformation, control A to keep transformation, then select here, then shift select to armature, then set it to control P with automatic weights. When select control P automatic weights, now you can see it's working, but the one step is again remaining. Then go to select armature and go to pose mode and select the bone of, you can see this is working with the bones. So what is the Next process, now I am going to set it all process is done with the hairs, and then go to save this. What is the next process? I am going to add the locket of this uh, character. To add the locket, same thing, repeating the process, clear parent, and then go to add to the locket accessories with this model. So this is the part 4 of this is the part 4 of the video. So same thing, repeating the process, same thing, you need to be add delete all any other objects. Now I am going to add to the accessories with her neck. So it is this process is different to attach, not same as work with the cloth. Same thing, not does not work with using cloth. Now I'm going to again set it up with the set it up with the position of this her neck, and when the position is completely you satisfy to set the position, and then what is the process? First we need to save process and then select the accessories and then shift select to armature. First select to your accessories and then go to, you need to first set it to camera with you, or now going to control A to apply all transformation, then select again and then shift select to be a model with empty groups, control P and empty groups. Now go to select and add modifier and then data transfer. It's work with the vertex data, vertex group, same as body. It's work with this thing data transfer, but the locket is not moving when the head is moving. The locket are still with work with body. You can see this is the locket is not moving. It is stick on her body. If you want to like to move the locket with her neck, it's not attached the bottom of locket is to body. It's need to be a different method to attach the locket. If you want to be another model with roll locket, I uh, comment below to ask me to make this video. I am make the another video about this thing. So another accessories I am going to attach with this is the uh, I don't know what's called this is the something net cloth. So this is the net, same thing, gear clear and keep transformation and then go to the then copy and must to be select all. I have not selected, you and select all. I'm going to select all first and then right click and then parent, clear parent, keep transformation, then go to copy. If the transformation is good, then you can see this is all accessories are detached with the body. So I'm going to copy objects and then You can also using outliner to copy the objects, but you can see this is copy and pasted it here. I am going to add a new collection because don't disrupt any previous collection. So this is no can all is copied, no delete any extra, and everything is going to be deleted. No, this clothing is the attached to the cloth. This type of cloth don't not work with this previous steps, so it's work something different to attach the body. So what is the process of attaching this cloth to the body, because the bottom of this cloth is not attached with body, it's only top of this cloth is attached with body. So what is the process of this? I am going to first check it the transformation, what is the transformation is okay or not. So going to the set it single, just only one object, all object is not working. So if I am going to select to join all objects, set it to one object, but it's not sometime it's not work with this. So I'm going to select one by one. You can see this is three objects with one cloth. So if I am going to one by one, select one by one and then check this out, the transformation is, you can see rotation is -9 and y00. So I am going to control A to and select control A to apply all. You can see this is 00, so same thing as control A to apply all, same all three objects you need to be same, and delete any armature to be attached previously. Armature I deleted, armature previously attached. So all transformation is 00. So then going to join, it's work with this join, but the leaves are hidden. So I am going to be undo that, don't join these three meshes, just select one two meshes and join, and these are only two meshes, the one mesh is out of did not use. So I'm going to be attached to with body, select and same thing and with empty groups. But when you select another object and then go to the modifier, add modifier, data transfer, you can same vertex data and then vertex group, select to the body, so it will be attached, but same thing it is the work with this. So same thing, same process with the leaves. Let's work with the body. If your clothes are near to your body mesh, so you can set it the process. If the you need to be any dynamics of your clothes, you need to be used to another process. The dynamic cloth processing is another series of course I will be making on this channel, so please keep subscribing LATIF animations to get more valuable tutorials about your 3D career. So if I go to check this out, Sorry, this is the edit mode. I am going to set it to pose mode. First need to edit modes and then go to pose mode and then check this out. What is work? This is work with leaves but not work with the cloth. So again I am going to set it to be attached this uh, cloth object to the body. Same thing, repeat the process. Select the cloth and then you need to, you can see this is the web modifier. For you need to delete everything modifier. I'm going to web delete, shift select armature, and then with empty groups repeat the process same as with data transfer modifier, add data transfer, and then vertex data, vertex group, select the body and then hit apply. You know, check it out what's happened, if this it is work or not work. Now I'm going to select, you can see this is working with the legs. This vertex group method is working with stick, working with stick on body. Now save the project. If you need to be any dynamics, you can set it to be. These have two methods to attach with this. You need to another method. If you want to another method to add this object, one is you can use the bones. You can use the bones of all. Same thing with the hairs. And if you want to be added, if you add the bones of all this cloth, you can add the bones and set it to be a, when he walks the cloth is walking with the, follow the character. So if you want to be add you want to be get this tutorials about these more techniques, I said, but I don't make it the video. So you can pack the all materials. When the final process, you can get it to be a, you can ask me to comments and ask me to the make this tutorial which I have not made it yet. If something want to be set it, you can set your character with this model. Keep subscribing at non-thief animations. If you like my videos, if you like this tutorials, you can watch any other blender rigging, any other tutorials. So keep watching Adnatif animations. Now I'm going to check this out in live VRChat testing tool, online testing tool to this model. If it is work or no, here is the complete the process. Now I'm going to export this as VRM. So save this and export VRM if you want to. This is this VRM, not be this VRM add on, not default added with this blender software. So you need to be, if you want to need, I am making an other video and you can how to add the VRM add-on in your blender. So when you export VRM model and then type the name of VRM and then export, you can default set it to be default and export the video. I am going to export this model. Sorry, not video. This is model. I am going to export this model. So the model is going to export and now going to check it online. Is this work or not work? I am going to VRM Viewer, search on Google VRM Viewer and then check this out. It's work or not work. When the loading is completed, you select on model. Let's select on VRM. Then upload your exported model VRM. So I am going to select and VRM model and then open. Now you can see this is model is now imported. Check the pose and see if it is work or not work. You can see this is the work is very well. The hair is following her head and here you can see here is very well work, but the uh, cloth of this net is not working very well. But if you asked me to make this tutorial, this is the I will make, and the next I will make the this video about that the blouse for my Patreons. Now I'm going to check this out. You can add it, follow the process and add any accessories or any model you want to be add a VR chat VR VTuber. Thanks for watching the non-latif animations.